to your abs and glutes workout. So today we have a very simple routine which is suitable for beginners. All what you need is a booty band, but if you don't have a booty band, of course this workout you can do without any equipment. Alright, so let's start. So everything will be with the reps and we're gonna do 6 different exercises. Okay, so the first one, we're gonna do the bridges and you're going on your back, lie on your back, and you're gonna simply lift up your hips. So keep the tension on your booty band at all times, engage your core, and here we go. So squeeze on the top. Okay, let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, keep your core tight, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Next one, we're gonna do 20 crunches. So you can keep your booty band on and you're placing your hands behind your head and looking up. So squeezing when you come up, you crunch it and you exhale. Let's go 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Exercise number 3 is going to be leg lift, but in a bridge position. So you're coming up, you extend the leg, point your toes, you're going to go down and you're going to lifting up. So the booty band is actually helping you to get the greater resistance. So it's great for your core as well and also good for your legs. 20 reps per leg. Let's go. So we go down and come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, one more, 20. You're going to also strengthen your hip flexors for this one. All right, let's go to the other side. I'm up, lift the leg up, point your toes, and we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, glutes tight, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, one more, 20. Well done. Okay, so now we're gonna put the booty band off and we're gonna do the dead bugs. So with the dead bugs, you lay on your back and it's also very good for stabilizing your core, the inner TVA muscles, which is under your six-pack muscles, which is really good that you strengthen that one out. Perfect for beginners. Okay, so placing your lower back to the mat so we don't have the gap. Yeah, you tuck your pelvis under. So now keep the resistance with your knees. So knees are pressing against your hands are pushing your knees away, and we're gonna extend the same leg and the same arm backwards, or you can do the cross if you want to. Yeah, however it feels good for you. Okay, let's go. You can also keep your head up if you want to, or you can keep it down. It's up to you. 20 reps. 1, pushing with your legs against the hands. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now you can let it go. So you have to really squeeze it at all times so that you're gonna get the benefits of this exercise. All right, the next one, we are going into the side leg lifts from the plank. So you're going to have one knee supported like this. So extend your leg. Yeah, this arm supported with your hand, and it has to be just aligned with your shoulders. So open up, so both shoulders are aligned. So squeeze your core, pushing your hips forward, and we're gonna go into the leg lift. So point your toes, and we're just lifting the legs up. Let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, squeezing your abs. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Well done. We're gonna go now on the other side. So the same thing. So you're gonna keep also everything tight. Also on the bottom side of your leg, the glutes, you're gonna feel a little burn. Okay, so keep it open, hips up, everything is in the same line. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20. Well done. And we have our last exercise, and also one of the most challenging exercise. So if you're a beginner, I'm gonna give you now the easier variation, but if you're not, you can do this from your hand. So the easier variation would be the plank side dips supported with your elbows. So you're just going down, engaging your core, you lift yourself up. Okay, that will be the easier variation. The one that I'm gonna do is a little bit more challenging, and it's on extended arm. So let's go up. Okay, and we're going straight down. This is great for the obliques, and you push your hips up, and we are doing 15 reps of this. Okay, let's go. So we come up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, one more, 15. It's pretty challenging. I haven't done this one in a while, so I feel it a little bit. more challenged. Okay, the other side. Let's go. And you go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and last one, 15. Obliques are on fire. All right, so if you want to repeat this routine 1 or 2 more times, you can do this. It's a great beginner friendly booty and abs workout, so you can always add up extra weights if you want to. So if you would like to work out with me on a regular basis with a weekly workout schedule, then I suggest you go down on my Patreon link, where you're gonna get also the weekly schedules, or you can also buy one-time programs as well. Okay, and also here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, I see you next time with some new workouts. Thank you for watching. See you next time.